I'm back with another mukbang, truck bang challenge. Come get you some. Bussin', 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 bussin'. We finna get it in. Bussin', bussin', bussin'. Hey, play. Oh yeah. Bussin', 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 bussin'. Good Lord. Bussin', bussin'. That smoke flavor that you're savoring. Amen. I'm back with another video. Boom, wing. That's different. Hey yo, we got a big burrito today. A bab. We got a bab today from some churros. It ain't Chipotle, but it'll do. It'll do real nice. Chipotle and churro, like my favorite Southwest Mexican grill spots now. Chipotle used to be way back there. And even though they be taxing, the one here busting. So we're gonna stick with it. We're gonna stick with it. The one in Hinesville kind of turned me off. But we ain't talking about Chipotle. This is a churros video. I be like, yeah, Negro, this is churros. Why you talking about them? Why you talking about them? So churros, big burrito. Thumbnail. Let's go ahead and get out of the way because I didn't know how to set this thing up. I didn't know how to set this big old burrito. I just put it down with a bunch of chips around it. Ha! Ooh, that's a good one. Ha! 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 Yeah, kinfolk. So we finna say grace and we finna get it in. Come get you some. But wait, coldest water bottle. Link in the description. Use Gilmo as your discount code. You save 10% off your entire purchase. Coldest water bottle. Go get you one. Now, like I said, we finna say grace. We finna get it in because I gotta keep it in the rhythm of things. Come get you some. Amen. And amen again. It's hot. Finally got my appetite back. Well, not back. I can taste my food again. Because I had it back a couple of days ago, but I couldn't taste nothing. Then we got some chips and salsa with some queso cheese. I got some queso cheese on the burrito. I got this with DoorDash. I didn't go down enough because there was no delivery fee. I said, I'm not gonna get a DoorDash. I think I should have went down there though. No, if you ain't around, you can't tell them, hey, that ain't right. We're gonna see when I bite into it. Yeah, I got my taste back. And I got my barber back. Gonna double dutch into this. I got some big on hand. Pico, romaine lettuce, Southwest rice, something spicy, churro sauce, something spicy, sour cream, and double beef. Black bean. I know y'all, it's hard for y'all to pay attention. Cause my cut. That's right. I'm hot. It's spicy. Feel like I'm playing a trumpet or tuba. Oh, that's so delicious though. Put that plate, man. The coldest water bottle, yeah. Tripping. Some hot. Some hot on that thing there, boy. What? Something trying to tear my throat out. How y'all doing there, kinfolk? You ever seen Copa said? Good. It's real good. Somebody call the cops. I'm gonna be killing with this haircut for about a week or so. I'm gonna have warrants everywhere. Yes, I am. And you know it. What is it like? Barbershop post so do. Quarry say. I told Quarry. He came here 2 weeks ago. I meant to tell y'all that, but I said I kept hinting around it. And by the time I was gonna say something in another video, I got sick. You hear me? I took a golden monkey test. I got so sick. And it said, no. We ain't got you. You got something else. I kept looking at my arms. See if I can break out with some monkeypox. Kept looking at bananas weird. They what? I couldn't taste nothing or smell nothing. This one made me think I had the golden monkey. Ain't no point. Ain't eating nothing if you can't taste it, I promise you. Boy, chef fixed something at work. He said, hey, you want some? I ain't even thinking about it. I said, yeah, because when I got my appetite back, I still couldn't taste the smell nothing. I said, yeah, I am. Man, what's this? Rocks? I just threw it out. What's the point? Man, hope that don't ever happen again. I get cold. I have a cold all outdoors, but if I can't taste nothing, the smell, okay. People funky anyway, okay. But the taste, man, come out. Not any money. First time I give you my code. And give you a butt whipping. How about that? How about that? Oh, it's big. I used to like chips with cheese. Now I like chips with salsa. Chips with salsa. Now put that cheese on that burrito. Anyway, Quan. I told Quan, my other dude out there cut my hair. He called me and asked if I needed a cut. I looked at that phone, I text me. I looked at that phone, I said, I ain't even answer him back. No, my brother. I am straight. Got my barber back. You work on your craft, homie. Been a couple years. People ain't asked me who cut my hair. Quan cut my hair back a day later. I mean, who cut your hair? Quan, but where's shop at? No, it's exclusive. You can't just go to him. You have to be selected. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I went in the shop. And Mama was there. She got a bookstore in the front. I ain't even finished telling the story. So Quan, I ain't even touched that dude back. And Quan said, nah, bro, we straight. Dude, Quan was like, nah, bro, we straight. I got it from here. I like, yeah, boy. I'm back in the game. You better not stop calling me though, telling me you're gonna get a haircut. I'm trying to tell you now, it's gonna be a problem. You gotta be put in the witness protection program, I'm telling you. Hey, Mama say, I walked in and he shop in the back of his mama and daddy's bookshop where they sell incest, oh Lord, incense and books and I guess Muslim stuff, sage. I was gonna get some sage, but I forgot to let my water in the truck. I go in there and she say, hey, going on, give him a cut. Come back 30 minutes later. She say, hey, boy, you looking like new money. She said, yes, sir. He said, oh, don't you feel bad? I said, I sure do. And my brother, I said, boy, I bet I was ugly, boy, before I got the haircut, huh? Because you ain't saying nothing to me. Yeah, she steady talking when I'm going out the door. I'm like, yeah? I'm gone for Quan and Daddy come around here because you sure complimented me a lot. And I was just saying, you gonna get a bunch of compliments today. I should have went and put a bow tie on and stood in front of the stove. And what going on? What you gonna talk about? Nothing. I just feel so happy. I don't know where that came from. I promise y'all, if it's funny, whether it's good or bad, if it's funny, I'm gonna laugh at it. I'm sorry. And I can't hold it in. It's just me. and it got to come out. He was at work yesterday. And they usually have employee meal for us. But I looked in the thing, and was it yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday. And I see some hot dogs in there. And little small wieners. Ooh. And it was a big old hotel pan, with them long silver pans. It had something that looked like baked beans in it. I said, "Oh, got hot dogs and baked beans," but on the label it said it was beef stew beef. I said, "Look at that red." I thought it was baked beans. The chef asked to say, "That's beef stew." I said, "Oh," I thought it was baked beans. He said, "Well," and he had his suspicions about it too. He said, "Well, that's what the label said." And I said, "Oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna let that ride. I'm just gonna give me a hot dog." And I said, "Dang, but the last time they made beef stew, stew beef, it tastes pretty good." And I said, "Nah, I'm straight." It did. It's this girl. She every time some food comes, she just pack it up, pack a bunch of it, take it home. Just like what you call it, a hoarder of food. And I got my hot dog, and I seen her. She got a big old bowl, and she went down and saw that. She must have overheard us thinking it was beef stew. She went down and got her bowl, and when I was walking this way with my hot dog, I see her coming that way with the beef stew beef, whatever you want to call it. And she's like, "Yeah, it's just greedy." So I'm sitting there eating my hot dog, and I turn and look at Axel, and I start talking to him. I turn around, and I see her bent over the trash can going, and she just whatever that was, just threw it in the trash again. Yeah. Anyway, I said, "What's wrong?" And she said, "That's ketchup." I just tried to, "That's ketchup." Boy, I said, "Ketchup? You got onions or something?" I think they were about to make some baked beans, and they put some meat or something in it. You know how you make baked beans with some ketchup, mustard, and all that stuff. And they just changed their mind, I guess. Boy, I try not to laugh in her face, but I hold my laugh in. And tears just start coming out my eyes. I would say, "Man, you crying, man." I was like, "What you talking about?" He's like, "That's ketchup." I'm sorry. They funny, Negro. So, I said, "Man, this hot dog," and then Axel came to me. He said, "Hey, come on." It's such a thing as too much meat. Ooh. And he said, "Come on." And he said, "Chef said there's some fried chicken in the warmer." So I went and got it. He said, "But don't tell nobody." And there's some fried chicken now. And I took the fried chicken. I took a piece. I went on the corner. The chef just said, one piece, not one piece. I said, okay. And she overheard that. So she come get her plate. What is this? What is this? She came and got her plate. And she put like 2-3 pieces in there. And it was soft. It's like buttermilk fried chicken. You could tell you used buttermilk. It was soft. So I slowly bit it. I had to make sure it was done because it was that soft. It was done. My piece was done. And then she come out. And I went to eat my piece. And I turned around and talked to somebody. She over there picking at her chicken like that. Oh man, I'm messing this video all up. She over there picking at her chicken. I say, damn, that chicken look raw. And in my head, boy, I was like, that's what you get for being greedy. She told me, it is raw. And let me tell me something. Why you still eating it? I just walked off. And when I tell you, I was crying in the middle of that dining room. It don't pay to be greedy, boy. It don't pay to be greedy. It do not pay. What go around come on. You gonna learn about karma. Karma gonna teach you something now. You gonna teach you something. Hey Kool-Aid. Oh yeah. They supposed to send me another one. I ain't got here yet. I'm full. I gotta pace myself. It's a big old burrito. I got another video coming out. I should have cooked it last week, but it's going down. That meat should be good and juicy right now, though. There's a lot of meat in this burrito. I be up here eating like I'm 25 years old and ain't about to turn 50. And my metabolism still something when it ain't nothing. You hear me? I missed this video all up. The ketchup. When I tell you, I ain't had that hard in a long time, boy. It's like karma just be following people around like, huh? Okay. And they ain't got no, what you call it? No sense. That's number one, no sense. They ain't aware of it. They just like, oh, you don't see karma messing you up? You can't see that. And my whatever. Where's my box? People, I'm full. I ain't about to push it. I ain't telling them to put spinach in that. That's a lot of meat. That's a lot of meat and beans. I need to go lift somebody's weights or somebody's daughter. I'm gonna get me a meat slicer. I'm looking into it. It's slow season now though. I don't know why I need to get a meat slicer. Just so I can have it. Well, I'll tell you, boy, this addiction they call YouTube got me spending money. I drank the Kool-Aid too fast too. Product placement. And let me get this other from you. I don't know why I be acting like a big dog. Without struggle, there is no victory. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Share with everybody, please. I mean, it gonna cost me a little bit. Never mind. I'm just talking. I'm sorry. I'm thinking about something else. I ain't gonna say nothing yet. But the cold water bottle is back. Gilmore is a discount code. Go get you one. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope I didn't get on your nerves laughing too much, but it was funny. I shouldn't have talked about it. But man, I'm back now. And I got some bangers coming up. Some food coming up. And I said bangers, I mean food. And we finna get it in this week. I love y'all, man. Stay safe, stay blessed, stay kinfolk. Bussin'.